Good morning, students. As you people know that because of lockdown, nursing students suffering for not getting proper notes and study material. From today, I will give some notes on every subject for BSc first year students. GNM students can also take these notes who are interested. Okay, let's start our session. Take your notebook and pen. Whatever I will say, you people must concentrate. Today I will give notes on nutrition. Okay. Give a main heading. Speedily write. Okay. Give a main heading. Energy requirements of the body. Energy requirements of the body. Nutrition is the science that examines the qualitative and quantitative requirements of the diet necessary to maintain good health. Human nutrition can be divided into three categories such as undernutrition, overnutrition, and ideal nutrition. Full stop. Nutrition present in diet are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Full stop. Carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins collectively referred to as macronutrients. Nutrition also deals with the aspects such as what to eat, how much to eat, and when to eat. Subheading: Calorie. CALORIE. A calorie is defined as the amount of heat required required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade. Next, subheading: kilocalorie. First point: it is thousand times the energy for calorie. Next point: the international unit of energy is the joule bracket 107 arcs ERGS 107 arcs bracket complete. Next point: therefore 1 kilocalorie equal to 4.2 kilojoules. Next, subheading: calorific value CALORIFIC value. It is the amount of heat energy that is liberated. Liberated, liberated by burning. Burning, burning 1 gram of foodstuff. Foodstuff, FOODSTUFF. Foodstuff completely in the presence of oxygen. Completely in the presence of oxygen. Full stop. It is usually expressed EXPRESSED, expressed as kilocalories. Full stop. It is determined by inverted comma bomb calorimeter. BOMB, bomb calorimeter. CALORIMETER, inverted comma complete full stop. Next, make a box. I give a picture on your display. Write it. Next, subheading respiratory quotient for foodstuff. It is the ratio of the volume of carbon dioxide CO2. It is the ratio ratio of the volume of CO2 produced by the volume of oxygen consumed. When a particular food is oxidized, OXIDIZED, in the body. Again, I give a picture on your display. Write it. Next, subheading significance of RQ, capital R, capital Q. Point 1. It indicates the type of food that is being principally 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 metabolized METABOLIZED in the body. Point 2. In diabetes, DIABETES mellitus, MELLITUS mellitus, diabetes mellitus, and starvation, 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 capital R, capital Q, RQ, decreases. Example, if RQ is nearer to 1, then it means more of carbohydrates are metabolized. Next, subheading energy requirements of an individual. Energy requirement of an individual. Okay. Energy requirement of an individual is made up of several components. They are: number 1, basal metabolic rate. Basal, BASAL, metabolic, METABOLIC, metabolic rate. Number 2, specific dynamic action of food. Number 3, various activities. However, for women, pregnancy and lactation, 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 are additional components of energy requirement. Next, subheading basal metabolic rate, BMR. Again, see your display. I give a picture. Under the subheading, start. It is the minimum amount of energy required by the body at complete physical and mental rest in post-absorptive POSTABSORPTIVE post-absorptive stage. Full stop. It is the minimum energy required to sustain life or vital functions like respiration, circulation, functions of viscera like liver, viscera, 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 like liver, kidney, brain, etc. Full stop. It is expressed as kilocalorie per meter square per hour, HOUR, hour. Next, C equal to calorie, KCAL equal to kilocalorie. Normal values in the bracket, kilocalorie per meter square per hour, bracket says, males, MALES, males equal to 40, bracket 35 to 38. Females 35 in the bracket 30 to 35. Full stop. Another way of expressing BMR, normal equal to 24 kilocalorie per kg body weight per day. Next subheading, conditions for measuring BMR. Under the subheading, point 1, should be awake but complete physical and mental rest. Number 2, post-absorptive stage. Number 3, environment should be thermoneutral, around 25 degrees centigrade. Number 4, recumbent position, RECUMBENT, recumbent position, bracket, lying down, LYINGDOWN, lying down. Next subheading, determination of BMR by indirect calorimetry, CALORIMETRY, calorimetry. Indirect calorimetry is based on the calorie equivalent, EQUIVALENT, of the volume of oxygen consumed, CONSUMED, consumed by the person at the non-protein RQ, calculated from his respiratory gas exchange and urinary NPN, capital NPN, during the interval. Full stop. Number 1, Benedict Roth spirometer, BENEDICT, Benedict Roth, ROTH, Roth spirometer, SPIROMETER, spirometer. Number 2, Knipping spirometer, KNIPPING, Knipping spirometer, SPIROMETER, spirometer. Next note I will give as soon as possible. Share with your friend for help them in study. Subscribe my channel for new videos updates. Bye.